What's going on today? We're cooking some shrimp. In fact, smoking the shrimp.
Smoking the shrimp.
I've already got the charcoal ready, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. Just on one side. And I thought I had some hickory, but I don't, so I got some pecan. I'm going to use some pecan. Put that on there. Tonight we're going to try some of these shrimp skewers. They are pre-seasoned and marinated. I've never done these before. I've only ever smoked like shrimp, fresh shrimp that we've peeled ourselves. So we're going to find out if these work and taste well or not. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm going to go ahead and put this on there just so I could have some kind of idea what the temperature reading. Just a ThermPro. See what it says so far. 108. Alright, let me let it climb. I'm going to get the shrimp ready. All I've got is just some olive oil spray on some aluminum foil to make sure nothing sticks. Oh yeah, this peels right open. Check it out. Throw that away. I think the lowest I've ever gotten in this thing is 275. And I've got all the vents just about almost closed. Well, it's not going to take very long to cook. Let's say we go put them on the grill. All right. It has dropped down to 333 on the temp. Go ahead and place this. And we'll just let it cook for a while. What you say? What you say? All right, now that I got the shrimp on there, closed it back, it's down in the 270s. I don't know if it'll hold. No, probably not. It's going up higher. There's probably some people who would say I would never cook those pre-seasoned meals, those pre-marinated things like that. They've got too many other things in there besides flavor, like preservatives. I don't know. Whatever the case may be. I've just heard some things said like that. But you know what? I don't really care. It's what we got on hand. It's a nice weather. I'm not going to pass up a good day to grill. All right? All right? I'm just having a good time, smoking some shrimps. And they're gonna taste good. I think so.
Smoking the shrimp.
Check it out, it's 259. It's dropped down a little bit. It's probably because I got the bottom vents, they're basically completely closed. There's just a small crack where air can get through where it doesn't completely flush up against the bottom of the grill. But you know, if it gets too low, I'll just open the vents a little bit and I think we'll be good. Well, let's check them out. It's been almost 10 minutes. So let's take a look. No, not quite done. Let's just rotate it around. What you say? All right, let's keep going. All right, it's been about 22 minutes, and this was just a 270. So they look like they're done. They're looking pretty good. I don't know if I can put those on there for a second. Alright, I don't want to get too done. Take them off. Oh, yeah, that charred it pretty good right there. I probably like it a little bit more charred looking, but whatever. Let me try one out. I don't know which flavor this was, but looks pretty good. It's good. I probably like a little more seasoning on them. I probably could have spiced them up a little bit more before I put them on the grill. Took them out of the packaging, put some kind of seasoning or dry rub on them or something, but still good. I'll probably end up sprinkling a little bit of Tony Chachere's on mine before I eat it. All right, Chris from the future here, about 10 minutes in the future. I just ate the shrimp. I put some Tony Chachere's on them. They were much better. If I was cooking just for myself, I would have put the seasoning, Tony Chachere's on every one of them before I cooked it, but they came out tasting pretty good anyway. The kids liked them, except for the Chipotle ones. They were too hot for our kids. I liked them. So anyway, just wanted to jump in and say, overall the shrimp was good. I just had to add some seasoning to it. So if you're gonna buy those prepackaged meals, be prepared to spice it up a little bit. All right, let's jump back 10 minutes in the past. Real simple. There's really not much to this video, but I appreciate you coming along and checking it out. All right, see you next time. Bye.